Hello guys, you're welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Chris, and today in this video we'll be talking about Pixeltap by PixelVerse, which is one of the popular airdrops that a lot of people are currently mining. We'll be talking about the listing date and also what you need to do to be able to withdraw your own share when it is listed. So if you're up to date with Pixelverse, you will get to see that they posted on their Telegram channel and also on their official Twitter account yesterday talking about when they will be listing. And if you look at it right here, they said Pix5 will be listed on major centralized exchanges on July 18th at 12 p.m. So if you have been mining this particular airdrop, it's time for you to start getting ready to receive your own reward, because on the 18th of July at 12 p.m. it will be listed. So right now, before it is listed, you need to ensure you are ready, fully guided to start receiving your own share of this when they start distributing it. So how do you then do that? You need to actually set up how you can withdraw your own share. So to do that, let's open up our Pixeltap bot. So right here on the Pixeltap bot, you'll notice that I didn't really mind this particular airdrop. For some reasons, I was kind of busy. But if you are here now and you are like me and you want to quickly in some points so that at least when it is listed, you can be able to be part of those to receive a kind of reward from this, you just have to complete some of the necessary tasks that are needed and also do one or two things inside the bot to be able to increase your earnings right here. So what are those things you can get to do? The first things first you can get to do is for you to fight. If you look at it here, try to fight some battle, probably with a friend or just a random fight, and ensure you win some of the battle. With that, you can increase some of your coin, and also you can get to receive daily rewards. If you go to the last part which says rewards, you can see you can get to receive by spinning, daily combo, and also this one that says daily reward. You understand? Just come claim all of these, and all of this gives you the opportunity to receive more coins. You understand? So that being said, also go to this part that say task and then complete most of the tasks. If you haven't completed your own tasks, just all you just have to do is they give you all these tasks, subscribe to their channel, follow their TikTok account, and all of these. And when you do all of these, you can, as you can see, I've done some, I've not completed some. So all you just have to do is ensure you have done all of these tasks, play some games, also get your daily rewards, and when you do that, you can also get to increase your earnings. You understand? So but that being said, how do you then ensure that you are ready to receive your own share of this when it is listed? Now just come over to this point that looks like a wallet, this first one here. Now it says connect your wallet. So you need to connect your wallet to one of these exchanges. You understand? So that when it is listed, it will be easy for you to actually receive your own part of this. And it's good you use any of them, but I recommend you use either Bybit, bitget, or probably Binance. You understand? I'll be showing you mine. I'll be using Bybit. You understand? Because I have an account with Bybit. And if you don't have an account with any of these, you can also use Bybit. You can check out the link on the description of this video to register on Bybit, which can also get some free rewards when you do that. So now just click. If you don't have a Bybit account, you just create a new Bybit account, follow the procedure, create your own Bybit account, and just come over to this connect wallet and click on connect wallet, and your wallet will be connected. As for me, I have a Bybit account. So what do you then do now? They say put your deposit address right here now. Now it's supposed to be your USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive tokens. Now how do you then do that? Let me show you how to do that. So go over to your Bybit when you already have created your Bybit account. So once you are inside your Bybit account just like this, for you to copy your deposit wallet address, all you just have to do is come to this last part that says assets. As you can see, you understand, then come over to this point that says spot, because you want it to be in your spot account. So then now what do you want to do? They say you should copy your USDT. Now the deposit, click on deposit and then click on USDT. Now copy USDT ERC20. If you look at it, that's what they want you to copy, USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive tokens. So now this is my wallet address. As you can see right here, this is my wallet address. What do I just do? I paste my wallet address right here. Copy your wallet address, paste it here, and just click on made it. Connect your own wallet. You can go ahead to even connect multiple wallets if you want to connect. As you can see, I can come and still connect probably bitget wallet if I want to, and any other wallet, but I already have my Bybit wallet right here. So when it is now listed on Bybit exchange and they begin to distribute to Bybit users, I'll be able to receive my own share of this airdrop. So ensure you go over and start doing this right now to get ready to start receiving your own share of this airdrop when it is listed. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on updates just like this. I will see you on the next one. Take care.